Welcome. The Quantum Leadership Retreat is an experiential workshop designed to create value for you and your organization in a world where people flourish, organizations prosper, and nature thrives. My colleague Carlo Giardinetti and I will co-lead this 5-day retreat from July 5th to 10th in the Maldives Islands. Here you can experience reconnecting to nature in its most extraordinary and beautiful form. Truly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for self-development. Most executive leadership programs focus only on technical competency development through conceptual learning. This experiential workshop strengthens your direct intuitive skills needed to evolve with creativity and resilience. The purpose of work is shifted to flourishing as you begin to experience your life as relational. You'll discover the emerging science-based paradigm of connectedness and what it means for how you live and lead. Well-being practices are woven throughout the interactive learning as a gateway to actualizing your potential. In summary, the goal of the retreat is to enrich who you are at a deep intuitive level, combining embodied learning with analytic skill development. You'll cultivate personal and collective well-being as a way to create exceptional professional value. Come to experience a range of well-being practices, accompanied by the leadership tools to increase creativity, engagement, and team collaboration. Learn to amplify your capacity to inspire people and to produce lasting change in turbulent environments. In the retreat, you will shift your executive mindset and action towards flourishing, expand your consciousness to be more purposeful, adopt a worldview that is more collaborative and better balances I and we. Build the direct intuitive skills to lead during rapid change, integrate personal practices aimed at creating value for you, business, and the world, and increase your creativity and ability to lead others. For more about the retreat and to secure your registration, please contact my colleague Carlo Giardinetti, that's with 2 T's, at c.giardinetti@fus.edu. The retreat is limited to 25 guests, so please register early, and we look forward to welcoming you soon in the Maldives Islands.